Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fun look using the Nikkie Tutorials times BeautyBay palette, and this is an older palette, but I am going to dive into this palette today. I figured I'd do a look with this palette because BeautyBay actually sent me this palette, and although it's older, I feel like I need to try out this palette. I've also never used any BeautyBay products before. Actually, I recently did use one of their lip glosses, but besides that, I have not used any BeautyBay products at all. So I'm really excited to see like the quality of the palette, especially being that it's Nikkie Tutorials. I have high expectations because she does great looks. I have my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer on my lids, and the first color I'm going to actually dive into is this one called Redemption. I'm going to take that orange color called Redemption on a Sephora Pro Crease 27 brush, and I'm going to place this color right on my lid here, and I'm going to blend this up into my brow but also bring it a little further in. Next, I'm going to take this color called Blend and Snap. I'm going to take this color on a Morphe M514 brush. I'm going to place this color right next to the orange on this side of my eye. And I'm going to blend these two colors together and blend out the pink. I'm also going to bring the pink out further because this is going to serve as my transition shade for the next colors that I'm going to add on top of it. Next, I'm going to take this color called Basic Trut. I'm going to take this color on a Morphe R37 brush, and I'm going to use this color to basically blur the edges of the pink so it looks a little extra blended. This pink actually blended out really nice by itself, more than most colors I feel like, but I'm still going to just use this to blend it out a little bit more. And I'm also going to use it to kind of blur the orange at the top here, just because I don't know if I'm going to put that second color or the color that's going to go in the front there that high up. Next, I'm going to take this red color called Mikai. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but I'm going to take that red color. I'm going to take this red color on a MAC 221 brush, and I'm going to put this right in the crease here. I'm going to blend this out and blend this up into the pink, but I'm also going to try to stay like low because I don't want the pink to be covered. So I'm just going to kind of blend this out. I'm going to blend this into the oranges as well. Next, I'm going to take this color called Slasher. Using the same MAC 221 brush, I'm going to deepen up this area here. So I'm going to start lower in my crease. Kind of being careful because I don't want to do too much, but I'm going to start here in my crease, blend it over this way towards the middle here. Next, I'm going to take some of this Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I have it here on my little thing, whatever this is called. And I am going to be using my Real Techniques domed shadow brush to apply this eyeshadow primer. And I'm just going to go over this part with some of this just because I like to kind of refresh it a little bit, kind of create a shape while I'm putting this on here. So now that I have that shape down, I'm going to grab this color called VLA, and I'm going to take this color on a BH Cosmetics number 12 brush, and I'm going to start by applying it right at the top here, kind of like above my crease, because I'm going to add two more colors below that. So I'm going to add this yellow right above that and just make sure that looks nice and pigmented, and then I'm going to just kind of blur it out, blend out the edges so they're not so defined. I have a feeling that this is going to be a look for the books for sure. These colors are blending really well, by the way. Like, they look really nice and pigmented. They're blending well together, not giving me any problems. And this yellow, like, honestly guys, yellow and blue I'm always scared of, but this yellow is like not giving me any problem. This yellow is so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this green color called Ew, and which is such a cute name for that color. And I'm gonna grab Ew on the same brush, and I'm just going to put it right below the green here, and I'm gonna blend this up into the yellow. So I'm actually going to grab a different brush for the blending part. I'm gonna grab this IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Tapered All Over Shadow brush number 27. And the reason why I'm taking this is because I can tell that I'm just gonna need a little bit more of a brush that's gonna like point in there to really get these two to blend together. So I'm gonna blend this green up into the yellow. Okay guys, I'm sorry if you hear anything in the background. There's always something going on, okay? There's always something. But I'm gonna continue to blend this green. I feel like this green is, it isn't blending as easy as I would like it to. I just said that everything was blending great, and then like the green is kind of giving me a little bit, just a little bit of a hard time. Not too bad, but I'm just trying to focus on blending this green out. I'm also gonna go back in with the yellow just to kind of refresh it, but also just to help it blend the green as well. And then I'm gonna go back with the orange color and just kind of blend it in with the colors that are around it so that it doesn't look so lost. Okay guys, next I'm gonna take this color called I don't know what they're doing out there. I think they're washing the house. But anyways, I'm gonna take this color called Amsterdamn right here. I'm gonna take Amsterdamn on a Morphe M508 brush, and I'm gonna put it really close to my lash line and blend it into the green. Next, I'm gonna take this color called All In. I'm just gonna take this color All In on my finger, just a little bit of it, and I'm gonna tap it right on top of like these blues, greens, yellows. Now I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back for the rest of the eye makeup. Okay guys, I did the rest of my face off camera. Sorry about the audio earlier. They were washing the house. I had no idea that they were coming. I have on the TL4 Tatti lashes on. There's still one more blue that I want to use. I kind of want to use this color too, but we'll see how that goes. So first I'm going to start off with this light blue color here called Plot Twist, and I'm going to put this color right underneath here, and oh my gosh, it's like way too light. Yeah, I'm not gonna be not even gonna be able to see it. So instead I'm gonna go straight into that blue color Amsterdamn, the darker blue one, and put it right on this side. I do have some fallout here, but I'm gonna fix it later. And I'm gonna take a fluffier brush. I'm gonna take the Morphe M513 brush, and I'm gonna use that light blue color Plot Twist to help blend out Amsterdamn a little bit more. So I'm just gonna go right underneath it. Kind of sad that it's not showing up. I thought it was gonna be able to show up more, but it's okay. And next I'm gonna go in with this color called Zomer, and using a Morphe M514 brush, I'm gonna take this color Zomer and put it right underneath here. And I'm gonna grab that orange color Redemption, and I'm just gonna sweep a little bit on top because I just want it to stand out a little bit more because it kind of blends into my skin tone a little bit. And now I'm gonna grab that light blue color Plot Twist again, and I'm gonna actually put it like just in the inner corner of my eye as like a little highlight. And I'm just gonna take like a cream color pencil. This is by Il Makiage. It's their longwear eye pencil in the color Eskimo. And I'm gonna put this in my waterline just so that I have something in there that like makes it pop. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really love how this came out, guys. It's so pretty. I love color placements. This look was actually inspired by Courtney. I follow her on Instagram, and I'll put her actual like Instagram on the screen somewhere, but I was inspired by her. This isn't like her actual look that I recreated, but I was inspired by the way that she does color placements on her eye. It's very unique, very like unstructured, but like it flows at the same time. It's really pretty. If you check out her page, you'll see what I'm talking about when she does her colorful looks. Like her color placements are genius, and I'm just so inspired by that. So I was like, okay, let me do something that I'm comfortable with, but also place colors where I normally would not place them. And I just feel like this is exactly what I was going for, and I was inspired by her, so definitely check her out, guys. Overall, the palette was amazing. I noticed that this color here looks more purple here by itself than it does up here. Like it looks more blue here, more purple here. So I thought that was kind of cool, because like you know, it actually looks like I did use a purple when really I used the same color that I used up here. I also used the orange color here called Redemption. I used that as a blush. I really love it as a blush. I love orange blushes, and it looks really, really pretty. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!